Okay, let's look at question G here. More of the tan chord theorem. Well, that 30 degrees. There's the angle between the tangent and the chord, x. It's got to equal 30 degrees, tan chord theorem. And now x plus y, if that's 30 degrees, this has got to add up to, y's got to be 70 degrees. Gee, it looks like we did one just like it, tan chord theorem. Okay, let's try question 8. Ooh, this looks a little bit trickier. I think we've got y here. It gets a little weird because you're looking at triangles over top of triangles and you've got to isolate them. It gets a little trickier. This is an angle at the top of the triangle in the alternate segment. So y has got to be 28 degrees. Y has got to be 28 degrees. Now, if we look at this thing here, these are angles opposite equal chords. That means angle E's got to be 26 degrees because these chords are equal. And if E is 26 degrees, X must be 26 degrees because of the tan chord theorem. Let's see how I did it. Y is 26 degrees, tan chord theorem. But E is equal to 26 degrees because of chords. Equal chords make equal angles. And that means x is 26 degrees because of the tan chord theorem. Let's look at this question. Oh, it's upside down and looking a little bit strange. We've got a tangent here. We've got a triangle. There's an angle between the tangent and the chord. It looks to me, oh, I've got B1 from that. What B1 is, how are we going to get at x here? That's really interesting. Well, if I've got B1, then I can get angle y. Oh, these are tangents from the same point too, right? That makes these two angles equal. Because AD equals AB, if these are two tangents, it makes these angles equal. And if this is 32 because of the tan chord theorem, that makes this other one going to have to be 36 to make it all equal. Then I could use angles in a triangle. That's my strategy for the thing. I haven't looked at this for 6 months, so let's see how I did it. I said B1 is 32 degrees because of the tan chord theorem. And then I said y has to be 112 because of angles summing in a triangle. Now, because I know that AD is equal to AB, tans from the same point, this x has to be 44 degrees for two reasons. Because these two angles have to be equal and because they have to add up to 180 degrees. So I know that's 78. I know that, is 68. That's got to be 68. I add that together and subtract it from 180. And that's how I get x is 44. And there you go.